The doorbell camera captured an unexpected moment when two siblings arrived home.
I was gonna look.
The brother tossed the keys to his sister, but accidentally launched them onto the roof. And then this happened.
Get on my shoulders, get on my
Oh my god! I've got to be taken the fucking piss.
shoulders. Shit, man.
This isn't gonna work.
Yeah, well. Oh my fucking god! You fucking kidding me?
How am I supposed to do it?
Why the fuck would you jump?
But how am I supposed to do
Oh, you dumb cunt. Fucking fed me in half.